Hello friends, welcome to my channel To The Point Program Easily. Today we would be studying about string literal. Okay, last time we have studied about strings, but now also let's see the definition. String is an object which represents the sequence of characters. Okay, we have seen it in last video. So if you haven't, you can check it out. Okay, today how many ways could be created? There are two ways basically: string literal and by using new keyword. Here we would be studying about string literal. A string literal, it is created by using double quotes. It's a simple like a statement we created. Okay, it is created by using double quotes. Let's see how. Like this way, string and s1 is the reference and the likes. It's written in double quotes. This is the object. Okay, same way we could create a string s2. This reference s2 is reference and subscribe inside the quotes double quotes. So it's object. Okay, let's see now the diagram. Here, it's heap memory, the yellow one. The whole yellow one, that's a heap memory. Inside that heap memory, the string constant pool. We even call it SCP, okay? Inside that heap memory, there's a string constant pool, okay? That's a dark green one. The likes and subscribe, okay? That's the object. Then we have defined that object over here, that string S1, likes, and string S2, subscribe, okay? So that's the object, likes and subscribe, that's object, and S1 and S2 is the reference. Let's see how we do that next time. Each time when we create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool. Okay, the JVM checks the string constant pool whenever we create a string literal. It's check the string constant pool. That is, in string literal, the string constant pool is checked, not the heap memory. Okay, so we would be concentrating on string constant pool. That is the dark green side. Here, what we check, if the string doesn't exist in the pool, a new string instance or object is created and placed in the pool. If if the object is not present, then we create that object and place in the pool. Okay, that means suppose we want a new object, a string s3 suppose, and there's a press. It's not present over here, so we would have to create an object as a press, and we would write word press. But okay, that's how it goes. If the string doesn't exist in the pool, a new string object is created and placed in the pool. Okay, so if the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pool instance is returned. Okay, if the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pooled instance is returned. That is what. Let's see what it means. Suppose there's likes. It's already present in the here. This object is already present, so the only reference would be passed over here. Okay, so let's see further. Then you will understand more what it means. String s1 likes. Okay, it's present over here. It's present in the pool. String s1 as a reference s1 and likes, that's the object. Okay, that's present. String s2 subscribe, subscribe object s2 reference. Okay, now string s3 likes. Let's see s3 as a reference and likes is the object, new object. We will check the constant string constant pool now. That's likes is present or not. That string, that object likes, it's present in the string constant pool. Okay, likes, so it won't create a new object. Now what it would do, it would just pass a reference, that's s3. Okay, so here it would just pass a reference, it won't do anything, just it would pass a reference to that. So a new reference will be created s3 to the same object. Okay, so let's see more. String s4 subscribe. Let's see subscribe, is it present in the string constant pool? Subscribe, it's present, that object is present in the string constant pool. So what will happen, a new reference will be created, not a new object. Okay, string s4 and will be connected to the reference is will be given to that object. Okay, reference is given to that object, so new object won't be created as subscribe is already present in the string constant pool. So now next, string s5 press. S5 is the reference and press is the object. So let's see the string constant pool. Is press present in the string constant pool? No. So what we will do? Object will be created in string constant pool. Okay. Okay. Now see. Let's see. Press. We'll create an object. Press. Okay. And what we will do? What we do? Now we will pass a reference to it. What's the reference? S5. That's the reference. As press was not present in the string constant pool, so we created a new object called press and we passed the reference as S5. Okay. Now let's say string S6 press. So let's take string constant pool press. Press is already present in the string constant pool. So we won't create a new object. So what we will do here, we will just pass a reference to it. Okay. So we will create a reference S6. S6. Okay. So they would even ask the question like how many objects would be created. Okay, so you would know, you have to know all these things. There's 6 references are there, but 3 objects are present. Okay, as you see, this S for S1 likes was present, likes object was present. So for S3 we just pass the reference to that object. Okay, that's how it goes. So here there are six references, but as the likes S1 string S1 likes object was present as a for S3, so we just pass the reference to that. And S2 subscribe. So for S4, subscribe was already present, so we just pass the reference to it. And for S6, press was already present. So we just pass that reference. So 3 objects were created. There are 6 references, but only 3 objects. Okay, they are the question for this. So you have to know this. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I will provide the playlist or the previous video if you want to know about string, and in next video we will know about string and using new keyword. Okay, that's also important. So please stay on. Thank you so much.